So a lot of you have been wondering, why are your watch hour not adding up? Why are your views not adding up? Some people will sleep with 1,000 views and wake up with maybe 500 views. You are wondering, there have been controversy out there. This is an update from YouTube themselves. Hello wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? If you're new to this channel, click on the subscribe button, like this video and comment on this video. So it's not news that a lot of controversies have been out there. People views are not adding up, people watch hour are not adding up. You have been going live but your watch hour is not adding up. You will sleep with like 2,000 views and wake up seeing 1,000 views, especially with those on the 31st. Yes, on the 31st of January. This is an update from YouTube themselves. They are working on it. Yes, they are working on it. Should I use the word they are undergoing maintenance? Yes, because if they give you the wrong views, you are still the one that will complain. So you just have to be calm. Your watch hour, your views will surely add up. And I've been hearing, because of this, a lot of YouTubers want to hold on for now. They don't want to be posting. Please continue posting when everything is resolved. All your views, all your watch hour will be accumulated. And this message, I saw this message on my YouTube studio on the analytics. You're supposed to see it, like, as I said, especially on the 31st, most people views and most people watch hour on the 31st did not add up. So just be patient with YouTube. They are calculating it. They don't want to give you excess views or lower views than what you get. Just be patient, continue posting. And it's a reminder to tell you, have you posted today? If you have not posted today, go to your YouTube, go and post that content, go and post that your video. With 0 views, continue to post. One day you're going to go viral and you're going to get monetized. When you start making the money, like, you're the one that will be enjoying your money. Don't give up. I mean it, don't give up. Yeah, so that will be all for now. Please, as I said, continue to post. So don't give up on YouTube. So see you all in my next video. Bye.